Inhalers are devices used for drug delivery into airways in respiratory disorders, particularly in bronchial asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. There is quicker delivery of drug locally in airways so that less systemic adverse effects of drugs such as glucocorticoids. The inhalational devices may be portable and non-portable like nebulizer. There are three main types of portable inhaler devices: dry powder inhaler, meter dose inhaler and spacer. DPIs are classified into many types, out of which two types are shown here: rotahaler and push button type of DPI. Now we will learn the steps of using rotahaler dry powder inhaler.
Remove the cap from the dry powder inhaler. Load a capsule by opening or turning the chamber and close it. Tilt your head back slightly and breathe out as much as you can. Try and empty your lungs. Place the mouthpiece of inhaler in between your teeth and seal it with the lips. Using just your mouth, breathe in once, very deep and fast, filling your lung as deeply as you can. Remove inhaler and hold your breath for at least 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly breathe out. If any dry powder is left over, then repeat the inhalation.
The next type of portable inhalational device is meter dose inhaler or MDI. The MDI consists of a pressurized canister in a plastic holder and delivers measured quantity of aerosolized medicine upon pressing it. A spacer is an additional reservoir placed between the mouthpiece and MDI. The main advantage of using a spacer is that it reduces the need of exact coordination between activation of MDI and inhalation commencement, that is hand-breath coordination. So that may be specifically useful in children and elderly patients. Now we will learn steps of using meter dose inhaler.
Remove the mouthpiece cap from the inhaler. Shake the inhaler well before use. MDI should be kept vertically as shown in video. Breathe out as much as you can and hold the mouthpiece in between your teeth and cover it with your lips tightly. Tilt the head backward slightly. Press the canister. Breathe in deeply and hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds. This requires hand-breath coordination. Breathe out slowly through the nose. If a second dose is required, wait for at least 1 minute, then repeat the procedure.
Now we will learn the steps of using MDI with a spacer.
Remove the mouthpiece cap from the inhaler. Shake the inhaler well. Spacer should be kept horizontally and MDI is to be kept vertically. Insert the inhaler firmly into the backpiece of the spacer. Breathe out as much as you can and hold the spacer in between your teeth and cover it with your lips. Holding the inhaler, press the canister to release the dose into the spacer. You will see the drug moving into the spacer. Breathe in deeply and slowly inhale the drug from the spacer. Remove the spacer from your mouth and hold your breath for about 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly. If a second dose is required, wait for at least 1 minute, then repeat the steps.